Welcome to Jaipur, the capital city of Rajasthan, often referred to as the Pink City. Known for its vibrant culture, royal heritage, and architectural marvels, Jaipur stands as a testament to India's rich history and modern charm. Join us as we explore the fascinating stories, stunning sights, and unforgettable experiences that this remarkable city has to offer. Founded in 1727 by Maharaja Jai Singh II, Jaipur is one of the oldest planned cities in India. Jai Singh, a visionary ruler and astronomer, designed the city to be a center of art, culture, and science. The city was laid out in a grid pattern, with wide streets and broad avenues, making it a significant architectural achievement of its time. Jaipur is part of the Golden Triangle of Indian tourism, along with Delhi and Agra. This strategic location, along with its royal history, has made Jaipur an essential part of India's tourism and cultural landscape. Its historical significance is evident in every corner, from the grand palaces to the bustling bazaars. One of Jaipur's most enchanting features is its architecture. The city's iconic pink-colored buildings earned it the nickname, the Pink City. This distinctive way was chosen in 1876 to welcome the Prince of Wales, and it has since become an enduring symbol of the city. Let's begin with the Hawa Mahal, or the Palace of Winds. This five-story palace, built in 1799, is famous for its intricate lattice work and countless small windows that allowed royal women to observe street life without being seen. Standing in front of it, you can't help but be captivated by its graceful facade and intricate details. Next, we move to the Amer Fort, a majestic fort perched on the Aravalli Hills. Built by Maharaja Man Singh I in the 16th century, the fort is a blend of Hindu and Mughal architectural styles. With its massive gates, beautiful courtyards, and the famous Sheesh Mahal, a mirror palace, it's no wonder Amer Fort is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The City Palace, another gem, serves as the residence of the royal family. Its opulent courtyards, stunning architecture, and the museum inside provide a glimpse into Jaipur's royal lifestyle. The palace is a combination of Mughal and Rajput styles, with intricately designed doors, grand rooms, and majestic gardens. Jaipur isn't just a city of monuments, it's a living, breathing reflection of Rajasthani culture. A trip to Jaipur is incomplete without experiencing its vibrant bazaars. Jahari Bazaar, Bapu Bazaar, and Tripolia Bazaar offer an array of handicrafts, textiles, jewelry, and traditional Rajasthani clothing. From exquisite block-printed fabrics to sparkling gemstones, these markets are a treasure trove for shoppers and culture enthusiasts. When it comes to food, Jaipur delights the senses with its rich flavors and unique dishes. Don't miss out on tasting Dal Bati Churma, a traditional Rajasthani dish made of lentils, wheat dumplings, and a sweet crushed wheat mixture. For dessert, Ghevar, a sweet, honeycombed treat, is a must-try. Jaipur is a city that celebrates life through its festivals and traditions. One of the most famous events is the Jaipur Literature Festival, which attracts authors, thinkers, and intellectuals from around the world. It's an event that brings together a global audience to explore literature, history, and culture. Another highlight is the Tej Festival, a celebration of the monsoon season. Women dress in beautiful traditional attire, and the streets come alive with processions, dances, and festivities. The entire city feels like a vibrant tapestry of colors and joy. The city's blend of tradition and modernity creates a unique atmosphere, where you can experience the best of both worlds. Jaipur's growing status as a cultural and economic hub has seen it become a destination for business and innovation, with a thriving tech industry, luxury hotels, and world-class restaurants. Despite its modern developments, the city has managed to preserve its historical roots, making it a fascinating place to visit for both history buffs and modern explorers alike. Jaipur, the Pink City, is a journey through time and culture, where majestic forts, palaces, and bazaars coexist with a lively, modern spirit. It's a city where every corner tells a story, where history is alive, and where every experience is a celebration of Rajasthan's rich heritage. Whether you're here for its architecture, its food, or its vibrant festivals, Jaipur will leave you with memories that last a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of India's most captivating cities. Until next time, safe travels and happy exploring.